How bad is this going to get? Well, nobody truly knows how bad it's going to get. But let me break a few things down and perhaps we can come to a conclusion by the end of the video. In the US, in the world in general, but in the US, people have been accustomed to enjoy everything just like that. Everything is at your fingertips, right? You want to order something, you get it in 2 days. Amazon Prime is awesome. You want to eat something, you go to a restaurant if you don't want to cook. Fast food, same thing. You want to buy clothes, you go to the store, you get it, not a problem. Everything is available right there. The problem is that right there is not going to last forever. We are seeing that it's not going to last forever. We're seeing fuel prices. It's not 99 cents like it was 20 years ago, right? Or 30 years ago. We are seeing that insurance is not what it was 20, 30 years ago. Healthcare. When was the last time that you went to a doctor? The bad manners of doctors nowadays, nurses, sucks. They're there to get a paycheck. They're not there to care about you. And that is the one profession, or at least one of the professions that need bedside manners the most. They don't have it. I'm sorry to say that. I mean, some do. Some do. But the atrocities that I have heard and some of the ones that I have seen is like, wow. So cars, what is the cheapest car that you can find nowadays? $30,000, $40,000? Something that the moment that you drive out of the parking lot, you guys know this, the value goes down. You remember the days when you can buy a brand new car for $12,000? Yeah. Okay. Houses. How much a normal house, a startup house, single family home costs nowadays? Put it down in the comment section below. Yeah. People are expected that, let's say that if they get paid $50,000, which was the medium income in the US not too long ago. Now I think it's 100,000. Perhaps if you were in a $50,000 bracket, you were able to afford a $60,000, $70,000 home, right? That gives you room. That gave you room. And you would do your utmost to pay that house in about 3, maybe 4 years, right? Yeah, now they're like, no, let's the houses, the same one, it's gonna cost you 3 times more, and you're gonna spend 30 years paying for it. And let's not forget that, yeah, the counties are coming every single year for more and more ransom against the property that is yours or supposed to be yours. And if you don't pay, they use the same system that you pay to have in there against you. You understanding how bad things are going to get? People cannot afford houses anymore. People cannot afford rents anymore. People cannot afford food anymore. Cannot afford healthcare anymore. Cannot afford to buy a new car anymore. They just cannot afford it. People cannot afford the taxes anymore. Every single year, you get taxed more and more and more. What is it now? 50% of your income? 60, 70% of your income? 7 times a dollar switches hand and it goes away in taxes. 7 transactions that you made, taxes eat away that dollar. That is insane. How did we got here? Well, we got here because of corruption. I think it was the 16th Amendment was put in there. That needs to be abolished. Yeah. But that's just to give you an example. when you can no longer afford food, housing, basic necessities, what do you think is going to happen? What is the only solution left when you have the people, unable to afford life, and the government, putting their boot on your throat? What do you think is going to happen? Yeah. There's no other way around it. Things are going to get bad. We will see an uprising. It's unavoidable at this point, to tell you the truth. It is unavoidable. It's just how bad it's going to be. Well, remove the stores, remove the electricity, remove the sewers, remove the schools, remove all of that. All of those systems that they were put in there to make you more dependent on government, remove them all. And you're going to see now chaos like nothing that you have ever seen in your life. Because people will not know what to do. They don't know how to create their own electricity. They don't know how to harvest their own water. They don't know how to grow their own food. They don't know how to defend themselves. They don't know how to make their own clothes. They just don't know even how to fix or change a tire in their vehicles. They don't know anything. People have become extremely dependent on others, on systems. How bad it's going to get? Well, once you take all those systems away, all those comforts and whatnot, all that is left is chaos. That is how bad it's going to get. Everything is going to be chaos. And in chaos, anything can happen. I hope that you have been preparing. I hope that you are prepared. I truly do hope that you are ready for what is coming, because no matter what, it will get bad. Really, really bad. With that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.